Наш главный враг – это и религиозные конфликты, терроризм, борьба наркоторговли.
Ladies and gentlemen, world community, the United Nations and UN member states, leaders of world powers, international human rights organizations, internet search corporations, independent journalists, political analysts, bloggers, you are all the guarantor of peace, freedom, human rights, democracy all over the world. The people of Tajikistan and the Political People's Democratic Movement of Tajikistan AMOT ask you on the basis of Article 1 of the Declaration of Human Rights, all people were born free from the mother and their rights are protected on the basis of this convention and other international laws. In Tajikistan, 31 years have already been ruled by one President Rahman and his family. They usurped and occupied all branches of the state system and declared themselves God. We simple Tajik people did not feel freedom, human rights and democracy in our historical land. This family made true Tajiks an object, a tool and a slave. Tajikistan does not comply with international human rights laws. No freedom of speech, no democracy, no justice, no first free medical aid, no decent free educated common people, no electricity to the common people in winter. There is no communication and internet in the mountainous regions. No land for the working class to farm. There is no decent job. No minimum living wage. No independent media, journalist, blogger and leader of the opposition. No free business. No independent banking. All banks belong to his family and clan. The international law of the institution for the protection of families and children is not respected. There are no democratic elections. Society and the people are separated into one's own and another's. All these deeds are committed by his son Rustami Emomali using force, violence, tyranny, against the people and the world community in order to become the president without the will of the people. There is a real hunt for a crime against humanity, expulsion, repression, slander, setup, oppression, destruction, violence, genocide, the expulsion of lawyers, journalists, intellectuals and the simple Tajik people and nation from the historical land and even beyond it. Our wives, mothers, daughters and children are being killed, oppressed and raped. This family and clan supports, patronizes, sponsors international terrorism, arms trafficking, human trafficking, prostitution and drug cartel using international laws, conventions, even taking advantage of the trust of kindness and love of religion. If the people speaks the true truth about human rights, democracy, freedom of speech, freedom of religion in relation to him and his relatives, they will fabricate a criminal case, put him in prison for many years if he is active. They will kill him without trial or investigation. They bribed everyone. Tajiks exploit as cheap labor. This is the exploitation of man over man. Our dream thought is freedom, democracy, and we will speak, shout, with a loud voice and we will win. We ask everyone who watches us to subscribe to our channel, like, share our video materials and support us. The entire universe and humanity was created by the Creator of one whole for the benefit of each other. Stop occupation, expulsion, political repression, political intrigue, manipulation, modern feudalism and slavery, genocide, torture, discrimination of the Tajik people from the historical land. Freedom to all Tajik people. Sincerely, Izatalo Dadaboyev.
کی بگوید جواب ایره نزدیک خلق چی جواب میتید که ما امروز آبروی تاجیکستان را در عرصه بین المللی فراوردیم دیگر مقصد دیگر نداریم ملت نیست میشود دولت پارچه پارچه میشود